You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Nice to see you on this Thursday afternoon. Enjoy the sunshine today, but do bundle up when you're heading outdoors. It's going to be a cold one. We'll get to minus 13, maybe minus 12. Average high this time of year is around minus 3, so yeah, well below average. Made to feel even colder once you factor in that wind chill. For Kingston, it's going to feel like minus 20 in the afternoon. Enjoy the sunshine today. We do see a little bit of cloud cover moving in the region later, and then more sunshine is on the way for tomorrow and even into Saturday. Even Sunday, we do still see some sunshine. And the next round of precipitation, well, that could be Monday in the form of flurries. For Belleville, minus 12 today. It's going to feel like minus 18 in the afternoon. A mix of sun and clouds. Tomorrow, minus 14. That's the daytime high. That's just the air temperature. You factor in the wind in the morning. It's going to feel like minus 27. Minus 6 on Saturday, and still seeing some sunshine. Brockville, good afternoon to you. Minus 13 today. Minus 15 tomorrow. Minus 8 on Saturday. Your wind chill tomorrow morning, minus 31. Do bundle up. Limit your time outdoors if you can for Smiths Falls. Minus 16 today. It's going to feel a little colder than that with the wind chill in the afternoon. Minus 17 tomorrow. Enjoy the sunshine. Doesn't necessarily mean warmer temperatures though, because your wind chill in the morning, minus 32. And then a cold start to the weekend, minus 12. But a little bit of sunshine with some cloud cover. Now for Kingston, we'll get to minus 12 today. Mix of sun and clouds. Sunshine for tomorrow, a whole lot of it, and a high of just minus 15. Our wind chill value in the morning, it'll feel like minus 27. Minus 6 for both Saturday and Sunday, and some sunny periods throughout the weekend. And the next round of precipitation at this point, we're looking at Monday, a high of minus 8. All these temperatures well below average. I think by Tuesday of next week, though, we actually rise to 0.
Certainly a cold day out there. Environment Canada issuing extreme cold warnings for most of southern and eastern Ontario as we see it plummet into the mid-20s, minus 20s tonight. And with those light breezes, it's going to feel a whole lot colder. We'll get to those exact numbers in just a moment. What were your highs like today? This is an interesting map, a really big sort of dividing line here where you've got minus double digits at best. Well, Smiths Falls, a bit of a glitch there with a minus 9, but close to that minus 10 that Ottawa and Brockville are seeing. And then everything west of there, a little bit better, and all because they're away from that body of water. Another case where that lake really does make a difference with the temperatures. Another thing that's doing this too is that Arctic air is seeping down slowly and gradually, so it's affecting them sooner. So their daytime highs, that cold air reached them a little sooner, and so their daytime highs are a little lower than those in southern and southwestern Ontario. But that's going to change. They're all going to see this Arctic air too. North-northwest winds at 4 kilometers per hour right now. It's barely moving, but that light breeze is enough to make that minus 15 feel like about a minus 21, minus 22. 52% relative humidity, so a very dry, very arid air mass, as well as that cold and no precipitation today. We're not going to see much of anything for the next couple of days as these areas of high pressure take over, digging in, spreading out, and creating 3 centers right across the lower Great Lakes. And as that does, those temperatures start to drop farther south too. And we all know from experience, this is sort of laying the groundwork for more snow. And so those in the south, in the states that were getting that sort of snow anomaly, they weren't expecting it, they may see that again, thanks to that Arctic air, which sets the stage for not just showers and rain, but for snow. So the lows from the west start to move in, and as it does, a warm front helps to improve temperatures a bit. Still below normal on Saturday, but it does bring it up a bit. And then you get your flurries and your periods of snow thanks to the cold front, and then that Arctic air settles in again. Beyond that, we've got more highs in behind that system. So this is where we are. Clear and cold conditions the way it is until about Saturday, early Saturday morning. That cloud starts to filter in, and by the overnight, probably just before or after midnight, in that time frame, you'll start to see the snow moving in. Flurries, there's probably a 60 to 70% chance of flurries through the overnight. But we hope to see that end by morning. Belleville especially, it should be finished before sun up on Sunday. So a mix of sun and cloud, and -7, -5 for Saturday, not bad. But tomorrow, still cold. That extreme cold warning lasting for a couple days. Yeah, you will get active weather Saturday night, but it should end before Sunday morning. Brockville, you've got sunny conditions tomorrow. Extreme cold warning for you as well, as we see -14 with a low tomorrow night, -26. Wind wind chills even lower. Saturday, -8, mostly cloudy, increasing cloud early in the morning, and then flurries overnight. Sunday, a high -6, mix of sun and cloud. You still got that lingering probability of flurries in the morning. That should be out of the way quickly. Smiths Falls, sunny and extremely cold, down to -31. All it's going to take is a light breeze to make that feel like it's near 35, 36, 38, maybe even a near 40 if those winds pick up. A -40, that is. Saturday, -12 for a high. Increasing cloud early in the day leads to flurries overnight, and that may be a 30% probability in the morning, but a mix of sun and cloud for the balance of your day, a high -9. Kingston, your 5-day forecast. Yes, everybody's got the extreme cold warning. Risk of frostbite if you expose the flesh to this air. It is very cold out there. -14 at best tomorrow for a high, and dropping to -20s, feeling like -30s. Saturday, though, an improvement, -6 for a high. Increasing cloud early in the day leads to flurries overnight, but ending before morning. Mix of sun and clouds Sunday with a high -7. And for Monday and Tuesday, the chance of flurries returning, even snow come Tuesday. And better temperatures, too, a high of -4 Tuesday. But look out for the end of the day as it starts to clear. Temperatures will drop. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
This one comes from Donna Street of Kingston from the Bath Sir John A district, sort of the Portsmouth area. And she had the foresight to take a couple pictures, one before the storm on Monday.
Yes.
And there it is from her balcony when that winter storm walloped us.
Yes.
Thanks, Donna. What a great comparison. Great pics. Send them along to us, any of your photos, to submissions at ckwstv.com.
Yeah, it is a lovely scene. I mean, once you dig out from it.
Yeah, as long as you're looking outside from your balcony, the safety of your home, yeah, that's okay.
Well, you know what? I think, too, with all the work that people have been putting into cleaning off sidewalks and driveways and that this week, they're probably going to want to try and enjoy the snow this weekend if they can, whether it's skiing, tobogganing, or just, you know, going out for a stroll now that some of the pathways are cleared. So
yeah, we're a little more mobile now. I've noticed some of that snow being removed by crews.
And it won't be as cold on the weekend, Bill?
No, I think the temperatures are going to fluctuate again. You'll see it improve on the weekend as that chance of flurries moves in. Once we get on the other side of that, by the work week, you'll start to see those temperatures slip again.
All right, we'll talk more about that in the long-range forecast coming up later. Thanks, Bill. Into the heart of January. I know Doug likes to sing that with Texas, but we have a long-range forecast to match it too, don't we?
Oh yes, very cold condition, extreme cold warning in effect now, and it lasts for a couple days. We're going to have a wind chill factor tonight of about -31. You'll probably see that again tomorrow night. At daytime high tomorrow, -14, clear conditions. We see an increase in cloud early Saturday thanks to a warm front. That helps to bring temperatures up a bit, and then we see some flurries developing in the night. Sunday, the flurry should end before the sun up in Kingston, maybe last a little longer through Brockville and Smiths Falls, but it will get to a mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon. A high -7, -6 Monday. Looks like the chance of flurries returning, -4 Tuesday with snow. And then it clears and cools again Wednesday with a high of only -18 down to -22, up to -8 Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud.
So this may be the first time this winter, Bill, that every day is a minus day.
Yes, we haven't had those rising up above freezing and all the snow turning to rain, that sort of mess. That's well behind us now. We're in the deep freeze.
All right, thanks, guys. We'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Extreme cold warning for the region. Most of southern and eastern Ontario, well, most of the province looking at an extreme cold warning as the Arctic air settles in. We've got a couple high pressure systems spreading out. We'll have 3 centers to this high pressure soon. That's going to maintain the colder temperatures. You may find that those temperatures try to come up on Saturday and into Sunday, but once we get on the other side of these other lows moving in from the prairies with that dusting of snow Saturday night, we're going to see more highs out of the north dropping in. Thank you, polar vortex, for more icy cold air. Down to -13 tonight, or up to -13 tomorrow, rather, in Belleville. That extreme cold warning hanging on for one more day as it dips to -21 in the evening. Saturday, cloudy, high -5, but flurries moving in overnight. And Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud with a high of -7. Brockville, a cold one for you, too. -14 is your high tomorrow, dropping to a -26. Increase in cloud early in the morning, leading to flurries overnight. Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a bit of flurries in the morning. Takes a while to come to an end, but you do get just a mix of sun and cloud through Sunday. And in Smiths Falls, you see those flurries moving in Saturday night, too. Expect a cold one again tomorrow. And then an improvement in temperature Sunday. Still cool, below normal, but better than Friday and Saturday. And we see those flurries end early Sunday morning. Kingston, extreme cold warning. Everybody's getting it. Clear tonight, dropping to wind chill. I think we're going to feel like minus 31 overnight. Tomorrow, high minus 14 with sunshine. And Saturday, an increase in cloud early in the morning, a high minus 6. So better temperatures, still below normal, but still better. Snow overnight. Sunday, it should come to an end in the morning, high minus 7 with a mix of sun and cloud. And then the chance of flurries moving in again Monday. That's snow Tuesday. And then it cools down again Wednesday as it starts to clear up. A little better on Thursday with a high of minus 8 and a mix of sun and cloud.
China